Welcome to R.E.D Laboratories. My name is Tanja Mijatovic. I'm Chief Scientific Officer and Lab Responsible, and I'm happy to present you today our company. R.E.D Laboratories is a private Belgian company founded 20 years ago in order to support research and diagnostics for chronic fatigue syndrome. Over 20 years, we evolved a lot, and today we proposed specialized tests for patients with complex clinical pictures and multifactorial afflictions, with main expertise in chronic fatigue syndrome, autism spectrum disorders, and tick-borne diseases. Our large testing offer covers immune disorders, intestinal dysfunctions, and infections. We focus on an integrative approach, and our tests are set up in line with strict scientific methodology. We actively pursue new test development in order to provide clinicians with updated tools. In July 2016, we also opened our US-based lab in Reno, Nevada. At R.E.D Laboratories, we are continuously developing new testing according to the specific needs from healthcare providers, and all generated benefits are used for research and development of new tests. We focus on setting up the tests that are not or rarely available elsewhere, and this is precisely what distinguishes us from most of the other bigger laboratories. Personalization of testing panels leads to more efficient and rapid management of patients with these complex clinical pictures. More and more evidence points towards a combination of factors, genetic, infectious, environmental, etc., being important in the development of these chronic immune dysfunctions, the cardinal finding in autistic, chronically infected, and CFS patients. Unfortunately, in many countries, these affections are still considered as psychiatric, despite clear biomedical evidence. For better management of these multifactorial affections, suffering from a lack of medical recognition, we offer specialty tests focusing on three major topics: immune disorders, intestinal dysfunctions, and infections. Our testing offer for immune and metabolic dysfunctions covers a very large panel of tests, ranging from quantification of cytokine expression, oxidative stress markers, heavy metal, molds, macrophage phagocytic activity, complement products quantification, inflammatory markers evaluation, ammonia accumulation, kynureninic and quinolonic acid accumulation, and many more. We also focus a lot on gastrointestinal problems because those are found in all those chronic diseases. The tests we propose are both blood-based and stool-based. Among blood-based tests, there are those that are quantifying antibodies against bacteria from gastrointestinal tract, which means that we can also uncover markers for leaky gut. We also focus on D and L lactate quantification. Our stool-based assays offers a big range of tests for evaluation of gastrointestinal inflammations, intestinal dysbiosis, infections, and also leaky gut. We have our proprietary MSA test, metagenomic stool assay, a unique test enabling deciphering of gastrointestinal dysbiosis at bacterial level. We also offer large testing panels for infections and infectious diseases, both at DNA and protein level. We focus also on viral infections, parasitic infections, and bacterial infections. More importantly, we focus a lot on tick-borne diseases that became a very demanding field last few years. Lyme disease diagnosis complications are caused by lack of adequate testing. It only focuses on markers for disease's early stages. In order to offer better management of patients with chronic persistent infections that are difficult to uncover, we focus both on direct pathogen detection as well as on indirect supportive testing. We are the first one who proposed the integrative approach for these persistent chronic infections. The aim is to evaluate not only the pathogen presence but also the immune disorders that resulted from this pathogenic action, and also to evaluate the disorders at gastrointestinal level, which are present in more than 95% of those patients. At R.E.D Laboratories, we focus a lot on providing our customers and patients with a lot of informations, scientific informations, and also explanations. You can find a lot of this material on our website. We continuously develop new tests, and this information is always available on our website. We are attending major national and international conferences on different topics that are covered by our testing offer, and we are very happy to meet you there and to exchange with you. We are happy to answer your questions and queries by phone and email. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you soon.